How does our nervous system shape our daily experiences? This video delves into the intricate world of biopsychology, exploring the nervous system's structure and function. Discover how the central and peripheral systems work together to regulate our bodies. The human nervous system is a complex network controlling physiological and behavioral functions. It consists of the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central system includes the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral system connects to limbs and organs. Together, they manage everything from thoughts to movements. The central nervous system comprises the brain and spinal cord. The brain is the control center for thoughts, emotions, and memories. It includes regions like the cerebrum and cerebellum. The cerebrum controls voluntary actions, learning, and perception, while the cerebellum coordinates movement and balance. The spinal cord connects the brain to the body, facilitating reflex actions. It also transmits signals between the brain and peripheral nerves. This system is vital for processing information. It integrates sensory input and coordinates appropriate responses, ensuring proper body function and interaction with the environment. The brain structure includes the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. The cerebrum handles conscious thought and memory. The cerebellum coordinates movement. The brainstem controls basic functions like breathing. Each part plays a crucial role in overall brain function. Understanding these helps in comprehending behavior. The spinal cord is a cylindrical structure extending from the brainstem. It serves as a communication pathway between the brain and peripheral nerves. Reflex actions are facilitated here without brain involvement. It is crucial for transmitting signals throughout the body. Its role is essential in daily functioning. The peripheral nervous system connects the central system to limbs and organs. It includes the somatic and autonomic systems. The somatic system controls voluntary movements. The autonomic system regulates involuntary functions like heart rate. Together, they ensure the body responds appropriately to internal and external changes. The somatic nervous system involves nerves connected to voluntary muscles. It receives sensory information from the external environment. This includes stimuli like touch, temperature, and pain detected by sensory receptors. This system allows for conscious movement and interaction. It enables activities such as walking, writing, and speaking through motor nerve signals. It plays a significant role in daily activities. These actions are coordinated through the brain and spinal cord pathways. Understanding it helps in grasping how we control our actions. It highlights the connection between sensory input, brain processing, and motor response. The autonomic nervous system regulates involuntary bodily functions. It is divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic systems. The sympathetic system triggers fight or flight responses. The parasympathetic system promotes relaxation and recovery. These systems maintain balance in the body's functions. Neurons are the basic units of the nervous system. They consist of a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. Neurons transmit electrical impulses throughout the body. Glial cells to support and nourish neurons. Understanding these cells is essential to grasping how the nervous system functions. Synapses are junctions between neurons. They include a presynaptic terminal, synaptic cleft, and postsynaptic membrane. Neurotransmitters are released here to transmit signals. This process is crucial for communication within the nervous system. Understanding synapses is key to understanding neural interactions. The afferent division carries sensory information to the central nervous system. The effort division sends motor commands from the central system to muscles. These divisions are essential for sensory and motor functions. They help the body respond to stimuli. Understanding them is crucial for comprehending nervous system operations. It regulates physiological processes through hormones, which are chemical messengers secreted by glands in the endocrine system. This interaction ensures homeostasis in the body by coordinating the functions of various organs and systems. Hormones influence mood, growth, and metabolism, affecting everything from emotional responses and developmental stages to how the body uses energy. Understanding this relationship is vital for grasping how the body maintains balance, adapts to changes, and responds to internal and external stimuli. Localization refers to specific brain functions linked to distinct regions. Studies have shown particular areas control certain cognitive or motor functions. For example, Broca's area is crucial for speech production. Understanding localization helps in identifying how brain damage affects abilities. It is key to neurological studies. Broca's area is associated with speech production, located in the frontal lobe of the dominant hemisphere, usually the left. Damage here affects speaking but not comprehension, often resulting in slow, effortful speech known as Broca's aphasia. Wernicke's area is linked to language comprehension, situated in the temporal lobe. Damage in this area impairs understanding but not speech, leading to fluent yet nonsensical language known as Wernicke's aphasia. These areas highlight the brain's specialized functions, emphasizing the division of labor in processing different aspects of language. The primary motor cortex is involved in motor control. It is organized somatotopically, representing different body parts. Stimulation of specific areas results in movement of corresponding parts. This mapping is crucial for understanding motor functions. It illustrates how the brain coordinates physical actions. Lateralization involves specialization of functions in one hemisphere. While both hemispheres participate in functions, some tasks are dominant in one. Language is often lateralized to the left hemisphere. Spatial abilities may be stronger in the right hemisphere. Understanding lateralization aids in grasping cognitive processes. Language lateralization is evident in split brain studies. Patients with corpus callosotomy show language processing in the left hemisphere. Decodic listening tasks reveal verbal information is better processed on the left. This specialization illustrates the brain's division of labor. It underscores the complexity of language processing. Spatial abilities often show right hemisphere dominance. Mental rotation tasks highlight this specialization. Participants are quicker at rotating objects presented to the left visual field. This suggests a right hemisphere advantage in spatial tasks. Understanding this helps in grasping how the brain processes spatial information. Emotional processing is linked to the right hemisphere, which is more active during tasks involving facial expressions, tone of voice, and nonverbal cues. Studies on split brain patients show better recognition of emotions in the left visual field, as this information is processed by the right hemisphere. This indicates the right hemisphere's role in processing emotions, particularly in interpreting subtle social and emotional signals. Understanding this can aid in treating emotional disorders, such as anxiety or depression, by targeting specific neural pathways. It highlights the brain's complex processing abilities, demonstrating its lateralized and specialized nature. Classic studies illustrate the application of biopsychology. They provide insights into how brain functions relate to behavior. Research by Broca and Wernicke highlight language processing. Sperry's work on split brain patients reveals lateralization. These studies are foundational in understanding brain-behavior relationships. In conclusion, understanding the nervous system is crucial. The nervous system structure and function are central to biopsychology, serving as the foundation for how we think, feel, and act. Through exploring its divisions and interactions, we gain insights into human behavior, cognitive processes, and emotional responses. Understanding these concepts is crucial for comprehending how we process information and respond to the environment, ultimately helping us better understand both normal functioning and psychological disorders. Thank you.